Only a true superhero fan can name these villains. Let's start easy. First one. Green Goblin from Spider-Man. Second one. Magneto from X-Men. Third one. Loki from Thor. Like if you got everything correctly so far, medium level. Red Skull from Captain America. Next one. Venom from Spider-Man. Bonus task. Choose your favorite superhero and let others name a villain that can defeat him. Hard level. Kingpin from Daredevil. What item is this? The Riddler from Batman. You must subscribe if you get the last one correct. Last one. Galactus from Fantastic Four.